A $19 plane ticket sounds like a scam. 19 bucks, one way, to fly across the country. It wasn't a scam. It was genius. It was one of the smartest pricing tricks anybody ever ran in business. And here is the twist. 2 months ago, that exact trick killed the airline that invented it. Let's do the teardown. Start with the seat itself. Spirit sold it to you for less than it cost them to fly you there. That was the whole point. The seat was never the product. The seat was bait. Because the second you sat down, everything else on that plane had a price tag. A carry-on bag, picking your seat, a cup of water, even printing your boarding pass at the gate. So where did Spirit actually make its money? Not the ticket. In 2024, almost 59% of Spirit's revenue did not come from airfare at all. It came from the fees. Bags, seat picks, snacks, even that boarding pass charge at the gate. The ticket just got you through the door. The fees were the entire store. Look at what that means for one single passenger. Spirit squeezed around $21 in bag fees out of each one. At the big legacy airlines, it was under $5. Add every extra together, and each passenger handed over roughly $65 to $70 on top of the fare. So that $19 seat was never a loss. It was just the top of a funnel. So Spirit had built a machine that literally printed money. So why, 2 months ago, did the whole thing collapse? 3 things killed it. 1, the big airlines stole the trick. They rolled out basic economy, copied the unbundled fares, and wiped out Spirit's price edge. 2, in 2024, a federal judge blocked a $3.8 billion JetBlue rescue that could have saved it. 3, 2 separate bankruptcies and a jet fuel spike that finally broke the math for good. On May 2nd, 2026, a last-ditch $500 million rescue fell through, and Spirit grounded every plane. Today, the yellow jets are being sold off for parts. So here is the teardown. The $19 ticket was never the product. It was bait for a business that ran on fees. And it worked. It printed money, right up until everybody else learned to do the exact same thing. The mistake was never the price. It was building something anyone could copy. So next time a deal looks too cheap to be real, ask what it is actually selling you. That is the teardown. Subscribe for the real math behind the businesses you use every day. See you in the next one.